Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to use Asana reporting dashboards quickly and easily, perfect for tracking progress and making smart decisions. First, open your browser and go to Asana's login page. Enter your email and password to access your account. Next, on your homepage, look at the sidebar and click on Reporting. Then select Create Dashboard to start building your report. After that, click Add Custom Chart. Choose a chart style like bar, line, or pie, whichever best fits your data. Now decide what data you want to display: task completion, project progress, budget tracking, anything that helps your team stay informed. To complete your setup, add filters to narrow down the data by date, project, or other criteria. Then click Add to place the chart into your dashboard. Finally, click Share and invite your team by entering their email addresses. This keeps everyone aligned and informed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.